Welcome to AI Sellers. In this short walkthrough video, I'm going to show you how you can market and promote any product, service, or business online using AI Sellers custom built, custom trained digital marketing assistant AI that creates marketing campaigns and assets on autopilot in seconds, giving you the superpower to promote anything and everything and generate traffic, leads, and sales for anything in next 5 minutes. Now, to use AI Seller is super easy. Click on Create New Project, and for this demonstration purpose, I'm going to try and promote one of my product called Story Reel. So I'm going to go up here and give the campaign a name, and then I need to give information about the product that I'm trying to promote to AI Sellers by either copy pasting the content, importing the data from the website by uploading PDFs, images about the product, or demonstration, product review, sales videos, long form videos. Now, for this demonstration, let's try and import data from the website, but you can use all 4 options if you need. Now, I'm going to click on import. Using the same process, I can also promote my Shopify products, Amazon affiliate products, or pretty much any product, business, or service that has a website or I have data about that. Now, AI Seller is going to go to the website, grab all the data, understand it, analyze it, and start learning from it. And as you can see, the information has been gathered. Now, I can click on the edit button right over here to preview all the information that we have grabbed. As you can see, we grabbed all the images, all the videos, all the data about the product. Now I can remove or add to it and update this information, or I can leave it as it is and start creating marketing assets. Now, to create the marketing campaign, I need to switch from knowledge page to the asset page by clicking on this little switch here. And as you can see right here, I can create a video, a landing page to promote the product, an ebook to give away to generate leads, an opt-in page to capture the leads, blog articles, blog posts to promote and get organic traffic, and media campaigns for Facebook and Google. So let's start by creating a marketing video or a review video. So I'm going to click on create video, and let's try to create a review video for Story Reel. Now I can change and create it for any country I want, in any language I want, and I can pick from different formats. I can create one video for YouTube, one for TikTok, one for Instagram, one for IGTV, one for Twitter landscape video, any different type, and then I can pick from different formats, styling. So in this example, we're creating a review video, but we can create a promo video, information video, news or controversial video, just to promote it in different ways, and click on create. Now AI Seller will start creating a video, and then you can again go ahead and create another video, which could be a promo video. Same here, click on this, click create. So you can create multiple different videos, and then you can also create the same video in different formats. As you can see, the script is generated. I'm going to click on edit, preview the script. If everything is good, I'm going to click on convert video and let AI Seller create the video for me. In the meantime, I'm going to click on create landing page, and I'm going to create my first marketing page to promote. Now I can create it in any language, any market that I'm trying to promote, and create multiple of these marketing pages. Same way, I'm going to create an ebook called marketing ebook, and I'm going to give it a title. Now let's say I want to create it for Spain and Spanish language, and I'm going to click on create. Now it's going to give me a choice of a couple of templates. I like this one. I'm going to click on create. Next, I'm going to create an opt-in page, region page 1, again for US and in English. And then I'm going to create a blog article, blog post number 1, and I can create multiple blog posts, multiple opt-in pages. And I'm going to create my first ad, which is going to be a Facebook ad campaign. Click on create. So as you can see, it's super easy, just a few clicks and we're good to go. Now when the video is ready for customization, I'm going to click here. And as you can see, the video is ready. The slides have been created, populated, all the information has been added. I can go up here, modify and customize the text as I want. I usually just increase the font size and make it bold so it's more readable. I can change the background image or video if I don't like it. I can add more media on top of it. I can change the background music. I can change voiceover in different language and in different accents. I can upload my own voiceover or record my own voiceover as well, or use Sonority to import my voiceover. I can add a talking head. I can add my own picture here, which is gonna have lip sync and face movement created by AI, and I can move it around. I can change transitions, animations. I can change the templates of the video. I can change the style of this slide, and I can add logo, watermark, change the volume control. I can add intro and outro, and once I'm ready, I click on render and it will start rendering the video for me. In the meantime, I can go ahead and preview my marketing page, which has copy added to it, video added to it, button added to it, information about the product added to it, features added to it, bonuses added to it, and ability for your visitors to share so you get viral views. Now, if I want to modify it, I click on the edit button, and there are two ways to modify it. I can modify it in the easy to use drag and drop WYSIWYG editor, or I could just modify it by simply editing and filling the information here, just to make it simpler, easier if you're not a visual editor like me. So it makes it so much faster, so much easier to customize things. But if you like to do a visual editing, you can use the drag and drop editor and modify the entire page the way you like, add more stuff, remove some stuff, add images, add videos, and a bunch of other things. So once everything is done, you can copy this URL, or you can add your own custom domain to this landing page and use it on your own marketing pages. Same way, it also creates a thank you page, which is where your visitors are going to land once they have taken the action you want them to do. Your ebook is being created, your opt-in page has been created. You can modify the opt-in page the same way, and you can preview the opt-in page the same way, and you can modify it using this simple editor here, or you can use the WYSIWYG. And of course, your opt-in page will be linked with your ebook, so you can connect and modify it the way you want. Your blog article is ready, which you can go here and modify, add more image, fix it the way you want to, download it, update it, and publish it on WordPress in seconds. And your media campaigns are ready, that you can go here, connect your Facebook and Google account, and in the next step, you can preview the copy, the images that have been created using AI, and everything is good to go. You can modify the text, you can change the text, the link, and you can publish the ad right from inside the dashboard. As you can see, the ebook is also generated. You can click on edit, and as you can see, your ebook is ready. You can browse through all these different chapters and you can edit them, modify them, add images, videos, graphics, opt-in codes, whatever you want. And once you're ready, an AI generated image is also added. You can replace the image and you can preview your ebook once you're ready. And this is how your ebook is going to look. It's going to have all these chapters, all this information in the language that you have selected. You can download this when you're ready. And as you can see, all your marketing assets have been created, your video has been rendered, and you can publish it on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram to start generating review traffic to your product. You have your marketing page ready, which you can then use to transfer your traffic and generate more traffic and generate hype about your product and share it right from inside the dashboard on social media sites to get traffic. Your ebook and your opt-in pages are ready, so you can start generating leads by sharing them again right from inside dashboard to social media pages. You have your blog article ready, which is SEO optimized, that is going to help you generate organic traffic, and your media campaign is ready to start generating traffic. So all the entire asset for your marketing campaign has been created and can be created in minutes and help you promote your product, your service, your business in minutes using AI sellers. And you can have all your autoresponder and other integration added, so every asset generates leads, generates traffic. So what AI seller essentially does, it creates marketing campaign with all the assets in the next 5 to 10 minutes in all different verticals and formats, and lets you deploy them and engage them online right from inside dashboard, so you can start generating traffic, leads, and sales. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team and we'll be happy to help you. Cheers.